So the welder man is here now to measure my gate here that you can see, because we have already allowed for the gate here in the corner. If you see there, and what I plan to do over here is just have a pipe with rings on the top and then put a chain and over here on the other side, because I got a lot of emails criticizing how the bamboo looks so messy when you're gonna do your gates. The bamboos are set, you call this a castle and you got a bamboo on the front, as if like, you know, they're just jealous. But when you're in your house, you take time to do what you really want, what you really need, because it's your house, it's not for sale. So I'd like it in keeping with the design I had, so I decided now to have the same design as what I have here on my gate. So that will be there, both sides. And then I have two pipes with a chain on middle to avoid all the backing. So this is the design I want to. So sige. Nya ako ipa-print sa kung do. Para makita niyo man details ba. So I'm copying the same design on the gate here. So it will all match. I don't want all those fancy works with gold and stuff. I just like it all like this black. So here we are. This is the design.